Hey, Maddie. So, drone swarms are a huge threat. Everyone's buzzing about lasers, but you reckon there's a more immediate, practical solution already out there, eh?
G'day, Stella. Absolutely. While lasers and directed energy weapons are hyped, they've got big power generation challenges. They need sustained fire for one drone, which isn't practical for swarms. The real cost-effective solution for battlefield threats? It's Northrop Grumman's MACE system with a Bushmaster 30mm autocannon. Already in service, no megawatt power plants needed. It works, like now.
So, MACE is stepping up while lasers are still, powering up.
Exactly. It's the pragmatic choice, proven effective against high-volume threats where lasers fall short right now.
Fascinating. So, tell me more about MACE, Mobile, Acquisition, Cueing, and Effector. How does it actually target and take down drones?
Right, so it's modular, fits in standard truck beds. It's got this deployable tower with a powerful 3D radar, electro-optical infrared sensors, and GPS. All that precisely aims the M230LF Bushmaster 30mm autocannon directly at targets. Here's the real kicker. It fires XM1211 high-explosive proximity rounds. These aren't just dumb shells, you know. An RF sensor in the round's nose detects proximity to the drone and then detonates a charge. Boom, drone down, much like an air-to-air missile, but kinetic.
Wow, smart ammunition. That sounds incredibly effective and precise. What kind of range and drone sizes can it handle?
These rounds can hit drones from 20 to 60 pounds or more, engaging targets over 2,000 meters. That's more than a mile. It's incredibly accurate.
Impressive. So this MA system deploys quickly and has precision firepower. How does it handle, like, multiple drones in a swarm? And where is it currently deployed, Maddie?
Super quick. The MACE antenna deploys in under 2 minutes. With the Bushmaster firing 3 guided rounds per second, you can engage multiple targets continuously. And you can link multiple MACE units for massive swarm defense. These units are already in service with the US Army, even deployed to Ukraine, proving their mettle right now. It's a robust, immediate solution, you know?
That's fantastic. So what about the future? Will MACE become obsolete once directed energy weapons get their inevitable power breakthroughs?
Not at all, eh? That's the real insight. When lasers can deliver megawatt output from a standard Humvee, the MACE tower's superior target acquisition and guidance data will still be absolutely critical for guiding them. It's genuinely future-proof, providing essential intelligence for any effector. A brilliant blend of immediate kinetic capability and future adaptability. For more on autonomous warfare, visit autonomouswarfare.ai.